What's up everybody, welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to talk to you guys about not operator. So guys, actually this not operator is the negative operator. You can get this from the name, and we will use this not operator this lecture, and also we will go over the concept. We will go from over the concept one more time. Okay, we will also see and or in this lecture, because this is the last lecture of this and or not operator. So guys, let's get started. In the previous example I wrote this. Let's just remove this. I will say select star from company. Okay, I will write where, for example, I want to get the users. Okay, I want to get users, for example, birth date of user less than, for example, what we can write, less than 19, for example, let's write this 1985. Okay, I will get all the users birth date less than this. I will come here and I will say where, okay, for getting this, for example, not Jim except Jim, all of this we can write like this. For example, let's come here, we can write where birth underscore date equal. By the way guys, for getting this birth dates or for getting these dates, you should write dates between these quotes. Okay, I will write 19, for example 90 hyphen, and let's write October and 10. Okay, this is it. Where birth date equal to this, I will write less than this. Okay, if you run this SQL, you will see all the birth date less than 1990. You can see 1985, 49 here. Also this you can see, because this is September and this is October, and October less than September. And also we have here again 1999, 1990 actually, and we have here 55. Okay, so guys, and let's try to get this using not operator. I will say where, and after this where I will just write not operator, birth date less than 99. In this situation I will get all the birth dates that bigger than this. Okay, I will get all the people except, let me write here, except let's write with IDs 2 and 6, 8, 9, and also 10. And I will make this comment line hyphen and hyphen. Okay guys, let me run this SQL. You can see I get all the results except this, because all results here bigger than this 1990, 10 and 10. You can check this. Or let's write another. I will remove this. For example, let's come to this company. I can say here, for example, give me all the users where, for example, department isn't marketing. Okay, how many marketing you have? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I will say where not, and let's write open and close parentheses. I will write this between these parentheses. I will say not department equal, and let's write marketing. I will get all the results where department isn't marketing. Let's click and let's run this. You can see none of this department is marketing, because I said not this. Okay, so guys, we saw this not. Let me write one statement, let me write one command also using and I want to show you here this birth dates. For example, let's write all the conditions for our birth dates. I will say where birth date, let's just choose this. Okay, where birth date, for example, equal, or let's write bigger than 19 and 90. Let's see how many we have, or let's write 90, 85. Okay, this, and we should write this between these quotes. Okay, because I said if you want to use dates, you should write dates using quotes. Okay, I said where birth date this or let's write or operator. And let me come here, let me see. For example, or we can write country equal, for example, USA. Let's run this. You can see this is the results, that birth date bigger than this or the country equal USA. Actually, we have so few things that this birth date bigger than this, and that is why we saw results like this. We didn't just see here this SAM. And let's write not USA. I will write this time, for example, India. Let's click this. We saw the same result because I said birth date bigger than this. Let's change this to this. Okay, let me run. Let me see the results. But I think we have a problem here because I see the same things. No, this time I didn't say the same thing. I said here where birth date bigger than 1990 and October and 6. Actually, I said give me the users where born after 1990 and October 6. You can see all the users born after this time, and I wrote here or country equal India. And you can see here this Lisa born before this time, but I can see this because I wrote here and. You can change this to and let's see what we can see here, and I will change this to not India. Let's change this to, for example, UK. If you run this, you should see just two results, and they are ID 1 and ID 7, that is Jack and Peter. Okay, so guys, I think we're done here. We saw using AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator, and we said and for getting this AND, both of conditions have to be true. For OR, at least one is true, that is enough for us, and NOT is, let me write here, negative operator. Okay, so guys, I will share all the sequels with you. You can get these sequels from the Udemy description, and you can download it. Let's finish our lesson here. Let's see you in the next tutorial.